Yo, what's up? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com, and back of me you're going to see the headlights that we just completed on a 2012 Honda Fit. Take a look. Looks super beautiful. Keep watching the video. You're going to see step by step, A to Z, on how we completed this little project here in a short few hours. Talk to you soon. Like, share, subscribe, and enjoy the video. So if we take a look at this 2012 Honda Fit, you can see that, you know, the headlights are a little fogged up. Okay, they're old. The one thing, like, if you see this in here, this might be able to come out. The one thing that this won't cure or help is if the inside is clouded. You know, if the inside is yellow and dingy, you know, from the back side, not the front. Because of the front side, we could sand out. There's two ways of doing this. I showed you in my other videos, been doing this, you know, 20 years ago I've been doing this. Made probably one of the first videos on YouTube that taught this tactic. You could sand them out with 1500 to 2000 grit and buff them out. Or the other way is you can clear coat them, right? And if you're gonna clear coat them, I would finish off with around 1000 grit sandpaper before you clear coat them. Okay, I wouldn't go any finer because you need you need sand scratches in here for the clear coat to adhere to and to melt into, right? So they look a little, I think we're gonna get them to look a lot better than this. Like, you can't even really see inside the lens right here, kind of foggy. So here I started sanding, okay, and you can see we washed away a lot of the yellow dinginess. And I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna start sanding in here. You can open up your hood so you don't hit your paint on the hood and things like that. You can also tape up around your bumper cover, fender, and all that. I'm not gonna do that at this moment. I'm just gonna kind of show you. So I got wet sandpaper, 1000 grit, okay? And we're gonna easily, okay, we're just gonna go like this and just sand like this. And as you sand, you're gonna see like a yellow dinginess come out. All right, that's what we wanna keep sanding out and get to like a clear looking lens, okay? Like a creaminess, like a white cream instead of a brownish cream, okay? See, so what I'm doing is using my finger as a guide to make sure the sandpaper is not going to hit my bumper cover. You see it? Okay, the other way to do it is, if you want, you could take out the headlights and do it. I've done them that way as well, but this is going to be like a quick clear coat job we want to do on it just to make the front look a lot better. But that's pretty much the process. So I'm going to finish up sanding this out. Okay, then we're going to wipe it all down. Gonna do this side, wipe it all down, then we're gonna mask up around here and then just mix a little bit of clear coat, and we're gonna go ahead and spray clear coat on these lenses. We're gonna give them 2 coats of clear, and I'm gonna be using my Atom X9 as a demo on one side because some guys wanted to see this in action, and then we're gonna be using my old trustworthy down and dirty mini X16, Atom X16 spray gun. A little bit oversprayed dirty on it, but I use this gun a lot. So we're gonna use both model guns. I'm gonna be putting the quick cup system on this, and then we're gonna use the old cup for the X9 and show you on each side, okay? They're both running a 1.2 tip size. You know, you can spray these with a 1.0, 1.2, it really doesn't matter. All right, so we'll continue sanding and I'll see you in the video. And you know, if you're using a fine sandpaper, well, this is 1000 grit. If you were to finish off with 1500 and you get a little scuff mark here, you could just easily buff that out. But 1000 grit's gonna be a little rough, so you're gonna have to, if you do get 1000 grit sand marks on your paint, you're gonna have to go down with 1500 or 2000, just a little, so you can get it buffed out, right? But I'm just being really careful right here. But again, if you're a newbie, you definitely wanna mask it up quick. So we're going to be using a Finish 1 clear coat by Acme, and you can see that it's a 4:1 mixing ratio right there. So that means 4 parts of that and 1 part of our slow hardener. Okay, we're using a slow because we want it to flow out and reduce orange peel and just lay on really nicely. Okay. This has been sitting for a little while, but the top is a little bit surface rust, but this is really no issue at all. Inside's still good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and mix this up and spray 2 coats of clear coat on our headlights here and make them look good. All right, this is what it looks like, completely clear coated and finished. Looks pretty awesome to me. They actually came out better than I thought. They look really, really clear now. So we're gonna go ahead and unmask, right? And then close the hood and see how it looks. Good job. Look, it was like an orange color, so this bumper cover was from another car. So I'll just be careful taking this off. Looks like a different car. Looks like a different car now.